Hi there, here's some computer help for you. I'm going to show you how to freeze a frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. Here's my short clip of an apple and a tomatillo. The shot doesn't stay on the apple very long. But what if I want to freeze the action or hold the frame on the apple for a longer period of time? Here's how I do that. I go to the portion with the apple at the beginning. I then grab the razor tool, making sure that I cut the timeline in a spot where the object is in focus. I then grab the selection tool, and I move the portion that's to the right of my cut farther to the right, making space for my frame hold. Now I'll use the progress bar to find a single frame on the left side part of my cut. As I move it slowly, you can see it snap into place after one frame. Now I grab the razor tool again and I make a new cut, isolating that single frame. Now I get the selection tool and I place it over that single frame. I right-click, I choose Add Frame Hold. Now I can grab the right side of that single frame and drag it out to the right, extending that frame. I'll play it. Okay, I should have made it for a larger stretch of time. Okay, I'll fix that so that you can properly see the result. And here's how the frame hold works. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, I hope you'll consider giving this video a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you next time.